This is a customer from Serbia who manufactures gaming machines. Before purchasing our ERSM Insertion Center, they used a single-station riveting machine from American Hager. However, the customer found the efficiency too slow and the related spare parts costs too high. Through our European reference customers and trade shows, the customer decided to purchase our Insertion Center and automatic turret insertion machine. The customer has many specialized fasteners, such as waterproof nuts and PLC-specific screws, among 16 types of automatic tools. This has significantly increased their production capacity by at least 70%. If you are interested in retrofitting your Hager insertion machine or purchasing our insertion machine, Insertion Center, please leave a message below and send me a private message with your workpiece information. We will provide you with the most suitable insertion solution.